Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your Android phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to your watch. So, find the Garmin Connect application icon. It can be on the home screen or on the in the app menu. So find the icon and press and hold on it. And once you see this pop-up, tap on the app info. Here tap on permissions and make sure to allow the permission for the SMS, phone, call logs, and that's about it. You can also enable contacts once if you want to. So to allow the permission, simply scroll down, find the not allowed category, tap on the permission you want to allow, tap on allow, and then go back, and it's gonna jump up to the allowed category. So once you allow the call logs, contacts, phone, SMS, and I believe that's about it, you can close this menu. Now you can open the settings on your phone. In settings, we need to find the notification access. The easy way is to tap on search and type in notification. Oh, my bad. Notification access, and then tap on search, and it should show you notification access, and you can tap on it. You can also simply look for the notifications rather, and then select notification access. Find the notification access menu, and once you find it, make sure that the Connect app is allowed. To do it, tap on the Connect app, and make sure that the button next to the app is enabled. So tap on it, tap on allow, and once the button is enabled, you can close the settings. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone. Tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and here we can select our Instinct 2S from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, find the notifications and alerts option and select it, and then tap on Smart Notifications. And here we have a couple options. We have general use, during activity, and signature. Tap on general use first. Right here we can turn on and off and customize the notifications for the general use of your watch. So when you're not tracking activity on your watch. And we can turn them on or off. Once you turn them on, you can tap on calls. And here you can enable or disable the status. So if you don't want to receive the notifications about calls, you can disable them, or you can enable them if you want to see them. And you can also enable the tone and vibration. So basically sound and vibration for the notifications. And you can do it for different notifications types. So we have calls, text, apps. So let's customize the texts like that. And then the apps like this. And once you're done with the types of notifications, you can tap on privacy, and here you can select one of the options. We have press a GPS button or wrist gesture or off. And then we have the timeout option. So basically how long the notification will stay on the screen until it disappears. And you can tap on timeout and select one of the options. Okay. Next we have the during activity. So when you're tracking activity on your watch, and again you can turn them on or off. You can turn on or off specific types of notifications, or enable or disable the sounds or vibrations for them. So customize this to your liking. And once you're done, you should be able to receive them. So let's say I'm done. I can close the app now. And let's say I'm gonna receive the message from, for example, from Discord. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Give me a second. As you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. And we can dismiss it, we can mark it as read, we can reply, we can block the app if you want to, and stuff like that. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.